Hi, everybody. It's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy. And if you like easy, cheap, and useful gifts, you are going to love this video. And to make things easier, I have free downloadable tags that you can print. For the first gift, I grabbed some of these clear glass mugs and cute little mini mason jars from my local Dollarama. These glass mugs are super cute and inexpensive. You can use them plain, but I have a Cricut, so I decided to personalize mine. I cleaned the surface with rubbing alcohol, and then I added my boys' names and a cute little Santa hat. I paired my mug with these cute little mason jars, some marshmallows, some hot chocolate, and these cute little tags that I designed. I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can download these tags for free. I filled the little mason jars with the little mini marshmallows, and I think these are absolutely adorable. I inserted a piece of tissue paper into the mug, popped the little jar of marshmallows inside, and added one pouch of hot chocolate. Then I grabbed a cellophane bag, inserted the cup and all the goodies, tied it with a piece of twine, and added one of the adorable tags that I designed. Seriously, how cute is this? I like the idea of adding things to it and making a little basket. You could include some of these hot chocolate bombs, these cookie wafers, or a pair of Christmas pajamas. And it's cute on its own with one of the cute tags I designed. This one says, "We wish you a cozy Christmas," and this one says, "Warm wishes." You could also pair the mug, goodies, and Christmas PJs with some popcorn for a Christmas movie night. This next gift idea could not be easier. You simply grab some holiday themed soap and pair it with the tag I designed that says, "We wash you a Merry Christmas." Again, I'll leave the link in the description below where you can download this tag for free. You print it like a regular 4x6 photo, cut it in three, punch a hole in it with a hole punch, cut some twine, and attach it to the soap. And that is it. The next idea is super fun. It's a Cookies for Santa kit using these adorable tags that I designed. You grab a mason jar and you layer the dry ingredients for cookies. The first layer is a mixture of 1 3/4 cups of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk it together and use a wide mouth funnel to add it to the jar. The second layer is 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Again, use a wide mouth funnel to add it to the jar. When you get the layer of brown sugar in, you want to use something to kind of smush it down into the jar so you get clean layers. The third layer is 1/2 cup of white sugar. This one is easy, you just kind of shake it to level it off. For the fourth layer, you can add anything you want. I'm adding chocolate chips, but for Christmas cookies, it would be fun to add mini red and green colored M&Ms too. Add as many chocolate chips or M&Ms as you can fit into the 1 liter jar. Add the cap, and then you just need a piece of twine and the tag with the instructions for making the cookies. This is the perfect gift for someone who likes holiday baking and a shortcut. Cute, right? I'll leave the link for the recipe and the free downloadable tag in the description below. If cookies aren't your thing, another edible gift option is a Christmas pancake mix in a jar. To make a homemade pancake mix, you need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. You put it all in a bowl and whisk it together. Then use a wide mouth funnel to add the pancake mix to a mason jar. You can leave the mix plain or you can add colorful sprinkles. I like to add chocolate chips to mine. Then, to make it easy for the gift recipient, you attach a tag with the instructions for making the pancakes. I designed this tag and I will leave a link in the description below to where you can download it. You cut it out, punch a hole in the top, and attach it to the jar with a piece of twine. I plan to add mine to a Christmas Eve box for my boys with a mug full of hot chocolate goodies and some Christmas PJs. The next gift idea is perfect for someone with a sweet tooth. I designed tags that say "Have a Sweet Christmas," and you can pair them with store-bought goodies or you can pair them with homemade treats. You print these tags like a regular 4x6 photo, cut them into 3, punch a hole in the corner, and use some twine to attach them to the cookies that you're planning on giving. I'll leave a link in the description box below to the free download for these adorable little tags. In my house, we love these fudge-covered Oreos and chocolate-covered crackers, but let me know in the comments, what is your favorite holiday treat? I hope you like the ideas and free tags that I shared today. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.